Hot tapping on a live pressurized pipeline, executed with precision and total control. First, we start the fit-up and in-service welding of the line stop and bypass split T, with flow maintained in the system. Then the line stop valves and bypass valves are installed. Next, the hot tapping machine is installed and the operation begins. The cutter then drills through the fitting and into the pressurized pipeline, while the pilot drill retains the cutout piece, known as the coupon. Once hot tapping is completed, the cutter is retrieved and the valve is closed. After that, external bypass piping is installed. The flow is maintained in the bypass throughout the operation. The line stop operation is then executed to isolate the section. The isolated section is safely drained and vented. Then cut and remove the pipe section. Repair and maintenance work is carried out, including the installation of a new valve. Once the work is complete, the line stop head is retrieved and the equipment is removed. Completion plugs are installed at all locations. The bypass loop is removed. Finally, the line stop and bypass valves are removed and permanent blinds are installed. Throughout this process, all operations are performed under pressure. To learn more about our engineered hot tapping and line stopping solutions, visit Cooperheat.com. Cooperheat, engineered to perform, trusted to deliver.